Inhloko yamajaji uMogoeng Mogoeng useyefake obishini ngokubonakala engathi useka ubandlululo phakathi kwe-Israel nePalestine.
So I'm under an obligation as a Christian to love Israel, to pray for the peace of Jerusalem, which actually means the peace of Israel. And I cannot, as a Christian, do anything other than love and pray for Israel, because I know hatred for Israel by me and for my nation can only attract unprecedented curses upon our nation.
I-ANC kanye neEFF isixwayise inhloko yamajaji ukuthi ingakhulumi izinto ezihlukanisa umphakathi phakathi nendawo. I-IFP kanye neCope isekela inhloko yamajaji ithi wonke umuntu waseNingizimu Afrika unelungelo lokuzikhulumela.
The comments that Chief Justice Mogoeng Mogoeng has made was his own personal views, and he did not represent the judiciary. We believe in freedom of expression. It is his right to have his own view. It will be wrong for anyone to take that right away.
I-IFP iphize yaxezelela ukuthi uhulumeni waseNingizimu Afrika akumele uthathe uhlangothi phakathi kwe-Israel kanye nePalestine.
To have a knee-jerk reaction to the Chief Justice's comments and analysis on the matter without taking in the fundamental issues which are important to the discourse that he is raising in itself is a myopic and ignorant view on the part of those who seek to attack the Chief Justice.
Amanye amaqembu ezepolitiki amxwayisa uMogoeng Mogoeng ukuthi angangeneleli kwezombusazwe njengenhloko yamajaji. Ngingusamkele Maseko wezindaba ze-SABC eGoli.